In this video, I'm going to share with you a very simple method that you can implement today and start making hundreds of dollars every single day promoting Clickbank products. And I know a lot of people have difficulty creating a Clickbank account, which is why that is not going to be a problem because you can use the likes of Digistore24. The whole process is the same. All right. If you don't want to use Digistore24, you can come over to use jvzoo.com. You are also going to get paid via Payoneer, Stripe, PayPal, or whatever payment method you prefer. So basically, I'm going to be taking Clickbank as an example in this video. All right. So the first thing you want to do is very, very simple. All you need to do is you want to pick a product. Okay. So you want to come over to the category section right here and you want to click on one of these categories right here and select a product. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be taking the e-business and e-marketing as an example. So once I click that category, I'm going to see products that are under this category. So the next thing you want to do now, you want to make sure you want to look at how much you are going to make per sale. All right. As you can see, this product right here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This product is going to pay you $30 per sale you make. As you can see the graffiti right here. And also you want to make sure you look at the graffiti score of any of the products. As you can see, this product has a graffiti score of 271.47, which means a lot of affiliates are making money with this product. All right. So once you do that, you want to select at least 3 to 5 products in this category. Okay, as you can see, this one right here, $30, and this second one right here, $61. As you can see, it also has a high gravity score. All right, so you want to scroll down and make sure you select the best 5 products in this category. All right, so to select a product, all you need to do is click on the link right here. You want to click on this promote and you want to click on this create uplink. So once you click on that, as you can see right here, this is the link to this Clickbank product. So you want to copy this link and you want to go to a new tab and paste in the link right there. So once the page open up, you want to make sure you come to this URL section right here and you want to make sure you have you see your affiliate username right there. So that means whenever any sale is made via this link, you are going to get paid. All right, so this is what you need to do. You want to grab, like I said, you want to grab all the uplinks for the top 5 products in whatever category you choose. So as not to prolong this video, I'm not going to take all the links. All right, so I'm just going to take this one as an example. So the next thing you want to do, once you've copied all the links to all the products, you want to come over to a website called omnilink.iconosquare.com. all right, if you don't have an account with them, all you want to do is create an account, and if you have, you want to click on the sign in button right here. So once you log into your account, this is how everything is going to look like. As you can see right here, you can change your profile picture right here. So you want to click on this button right here to edit the text on this section right here. As you can see, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So if I come back to Clickbank, as you can see right here, this is the heading of this product right here. So basically you want to do that for all the products. So this second product right here, live chat jobs, you have to try this one. You can see it right here. So basically, like I said, all you need to do is click on this button and you will be able to edit all the text, including the links right here. Okay, so now for the link, all you need to do is you want to create a landing page for each of these products right here. So believe me, it's very simple to create a landing page. You can come over to Google Sites and create one for absolutely free. And also you can use breezy.io. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to use Breezy. It's one of the best landing page builder out there that you can use. All right, so basically you can use either of these 2 builders to create a landing page for each of the Clickbank products right here. All right, so once you have your landing page created, you want to come back to Omnilink. So as not to prolong this video, you are going to make the landing page on Google Site. Like I said, it's very, very easy and straightforward to make. Once you've made it, all you just need to do is paste in the link of the landing page for each of these products right here. So once you have that done, all you just need to do is click on save. As you can see, you want to have an image that resonates with the niche right here. All right, as you can see, I have a money image right here. And also you want to type in a eye-catchy title that will make people want to check out the link below. And the reason is because if they come over to this page, all they need to do is purchase one product right here and you are making money with Clickbank. Once you have this done, all you just need to do is click on this copy link right here. So once you copy the link, then I'm going to show you 2 traffic sources that you can use to start driving targeted traffic to this Clickbank product. So I'm going to show you one free method and I'm going to show you one paid method that you can use. So the first method I'm going to show you is shoutcart.com. It's a platform where you can pay influencers to promote your link. As you can see right here, there are a lot of Instagram influencers right here. All you need to do is pay them a fixed amount and they are going to promote your Clickbank product on their page. As you can see right here, this one with 23,000 followers is going to charge $10 to promote your Clickbank link. And that is why you need to use Omnilink, so that you have a very high chance of making a sale. As you can see right here, you get to promote about 5 products with just one link. All right, so if they don't purchase this first product right here, there's a very high chance that they can purchase another product on this page right here. So basically, if they purchase one product, as you can see right here, this one is going to pay $30.20 per sale. All right, so if they purchase that product, you've already made $20 in profit. All right, so as you can see right here, there are a lot of pages and you can see there is also categories right here. So you can click on the right niche that is related to whatever product you are promoting on Clickbank. All you just need to do is click on the right category right here and pay the influencers to promote your link. All right, so the second method I'm going to show you is using Instagram itself. So all you just need to do is look for an account that is in your niche. As you can see, this one right here, you want to download their content and you want to repost it on your Instagram account. As you can see, this one, these are just basic images, nothing more to it. As you can see, they are getting a lot of engagement. These are just pictures you can even grab on Google. So basically, you want to download this content and repost it to your Instagram account. So once you do that, as you can see right here, though this person does not have a link in their bio, so you want to paste the Omnilink in your Instagram bio. So once you paste that, the next thing you want to do is you want to follow the followers of this account. And the reason you want to do this is because you already know they are interested in make money online content. So there is a very high chance that they are going to click your link, and if they purchase any of the products right here, you are making money in passive income. So all you just need to do is click on their followers and follow their followers. And another method you can use is you want to click on their content and you want to go to the like section. You want to see those people who liked their content. If they like this content, that means they are also going to like your content as well, because we already know they are interested in making money online. So all you need to do is click on this follow and follow these people. All right, so once you follow them, Instagram is going to notify them that you followed them, and once they see your account, they get to see the link in your bio, and if they click on the link and purchase one of these products right here, you will be making money in passive income with Clickbank. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.